Namaste students. Today's topic is surface area of a combination of solids. In this we are going to discuss question number 6 of exercise 13.1. So the question is, a medicine capsule is in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispheres stuck to each of the ends. The length of the entire capsule is 14 mm and the diameter of capsule is 5 mm. Find the surface area. So what is given in the question? The capsule is in the form of a cylinder which from both ends it is stuck from hemispheres. So one hemisphere is here, one hemisphere is here. And what is given? The entire length of the capsule is 14 mm. And the diameter of cylinder as well as hemisphere is given equals to 5 millimeter. Now we have to find out the surface area. So what will be the surface area of this solid? First of all, let us write down the dimensions. So this is question number 6 and its dimensions are diameter of cylinder as well as hemisphere is given equals to 5 millimeter. Then what will be radius? You know it is diameter upon 2. So this will be 5 upon 2 mm, or you can write in decimal form 2.5 millimeters. Now see, this is the radius of the hemisphere. Here also this is the radius of hemisphere. So what will be height of cylinder? Height of cylinder will be equals to 14 is the total length minus 2.5, that is the radius of hemisphere decreased in the left hand side and 2.5 decreased in the right hand side. So minus 2.5 plus 2.5. So this is 14 minus 5, which is equals to 9 millimeters. Now what will be the surface area of solid? This will be equals to 2 multiplied by 2 hemispheres we have. So CSA of hemisphere then plus in center we have a cylinder plus CSA, only curved surface area of cylinder we have. So CSA of cylinder. So this will be equals to 2 multiplied by CSA of hemisphere. We know the CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r square plus CSA of cylinder is 2 pi RH. So here you know 2 pi and 1 r, they are common, so you can take it common. 2 pi r is taken common. Inside we have here 2 and 1 radius is left, so 2r plus h. Now simplify it. 2 into pi is 22 upon 7, radius 2.5, and inside the bracket we have 2 multiplied by 2.5 plus 9. Height is 9. So this will be equals to 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7 into 2.5 multiplied by 2.5 into 2 will be 5, and 9 5 will be 14. So 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, and 2.5 into 2 5, and 22 2s are 44. So 44 into 5 will be 220 millimeter square is your required answer. Next question is, a tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a conical top. Let us see the figure. We have a cylindrical tent having top in the form of a cone. Now see the dimensions. If the height and diameter of cylindrical part is 2.1 meter and 4 meter respectively, its height is 2.1 meter and the diameter is 4 meter, then the same will be the diameter of cone also. The second part is given height of the top is 2.8 meter. The slant height of conical part is 2.8 meters. Then what we have to find? Find the area of canvas used in making tent. Also find the cost of the canvas of the tent at the rate rupees 500 per meter square. So let us see the solution. This is your question number 7. What is given in this question? Let us write down the dimensions first of all. Diameter is given equals to 4 meter. So what will be radius? Radius will be equals to diameter upon 2, which is equals to 4 upon 2. 2 2s are 4, this is 2 meter. Now height of cylinder is given equals to 2.1 meter, and the slant height of cone is given equals to 2.8 meter. Now we know the height we used as h and slant height we use as L. Now what will be the total area of this figure? So surface area will be equals to CSA of cylinder plus CSA of cone, which is equals to, we know CSA of cylinder is 2 pi RH plus CSA of cone is pi r L. In this formula again pi r is common, so take pi r common, and inside we have 2 into h plus L. 2 into h plus L. Now simplify it. This will be equals to pi 22 upon 7, radius is given equals to 2 meter, then 2h, 2 into height is given 2.1 meter plus slant height is given 2.8 meters. This will be equals to 22 upon 7 into 2 into 2.1 into 2 will be 4.2. 4.2 plus 2.8 will be equals to 7.0. So this will be 7. So 7 ones are 7 and 22 twos are, this is 44 meter square. So this is the surface area of the given solid. But you are asked to find out the cost. If cost of 1 meter square is given equals to rupees 500. So cost of 44 meter square will be equals to 44 multiplied by 500, which is equals to 22,000 rupees, which is equals to 22,000 rupees is your required answer.